welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make Guyanese vegetable rice. Alright, so I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious simple rice, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Alright, this vegetable rice, I made this on Mother's Day, so you guys can also look out for my oven baked pineapple chicken video, and also my sweet potato, ripe plantain and egg salad as well. Okay, so look out for all three of those dishes. And if you guys would like to support or donate to my channel, I will leave that link in the description box down below. And also, all my measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box down below. Alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. So let me just show you my ingredients for my vegetable rice. Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my vegetable rice. So we have some brown rice here, I already washed it. We have some homemade green seasoning, sweet corn, mustard hot sauce. Over here for veggies we have some shallots, celery, grated carrots, grated garlic and ginger, onion, sweet pepper and fine leaf thyme. Here we have our butter, and here we have some cubes, 5 rice season, 5 spice seasoning, some parsley flakes and some paprika. So let me just show you the next step for our vegetable rice. Okay guys, so in a pot here we have some hot water. You're going to pour some salt, you're going to stir it, and then you're going to pour in your brown rice. I already washed it, and you're going to let this boil. Alright, let it come to a boil until it gets a little soft. So we'll be back. My rice finished boiling, so I'm going to strain it out and let it cool down. Okay guys, so we're going to fry up our vegetable rice now. So in a pot you're going to put in some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and then you're going to put in some of you're going to let it melt. Finish melting. So what you're going to do, you're going to fry up some veggies. So you're going to fry up some shallots, sweet pepper, fine leaf thyme, some ginger, carrots, and onion. Alright, so you're going to fry all of this up. We're going to fry it in 2 batches. I'm going to mix it up and fry it for about a minute or 2. We'll be back. Okay guys, so you're going to flavor your veggies now. You're going to put in 1 cube. Also you're going to put in some chili powder, ginger powder, parsley flakes, and some paprika. Remember, I'm doing it in 2 batches. I'm going to fry it up. Also I'm going to put in my little mustard hot sauce and just mix everything up together. Alright, now you're going to pour in your rice. So this is my white rice here. I'm going to put in about 4 pot spoons. And I'm going to mix my veggies into my rice. Okay, so lastly we're going to put in our corn, sweet corn, and you're going to mix the corn up into your vegetable rice. So this is my vegetable rice guys. So I'm going to place my vegetable rice now with my sweet potato and ripe plantain salad and my pineapple chicken. So guys, look out for all 3 of those videos, alright? This is my Mother's Day lunch. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my vegetable rice. I'm gonna be eating it with some pineapple chicken here, baked pineapple chicken. This is my Mother's Day lunch, guys. This is what I made. And then I'm gonna put in some of my ripe plantain and sweet potato with egg salad. Okay guys, so this is my Mother's Day lunch. So look out for my baked pineapple chicken video and my sweet plantain and sweet potato with egg salad. And this is my vegetable rice, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I know you guys won't be seeing this on Mother's Day, but you can make this in the future for yourself. Alright, so take care and bye.